Jumbo everybody and welcome to How To. And today we're going to be looking at how you can assemble your camera and have a feed like this. So today we're going to be looking at how to assemble the Boya VG-350. So stay tuned. So with the Boya VG-350, what you get is that you get a complete box with everything that you need to go live with your phone. So I'm just going to show you how you can easily set it up and how everything works. So let's open the box. So today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this Boya VG-350. And what you need to know is that the Boya 350 comes in as a complete set. It has got everything that you need other than a phone that you need to set up and start shooting. So it comes with the microphone, comes with an extension in case you need to extend your phone and you want it to go slightly up. You can either have it handheld or you can easily set it up on this mini tripod. Okay. Then we have got this holder that you use now for your microphone. And then we've got audio cables. Okay, we've got audio cables, and then we have our phone holder. So let's start. So you can easily just set the phone holder. Now the advantage is that you can raise it to whatever height that you feel is comfortable for you. So you need to have this as stable and as secure as possible. It's your phone over here that you're talking about. So, and then you can easily put your microphone over here, and then you tighten it up. So for the final part, we set up the light, and then you can increase the brightness or reduce it. So once you set it up, you basically just clamp it onto your phone. Okay. So we'll just do a short video to see how it responds. Okay, so you set it up to whatever height you need, and just so that you can have a full feel, let's switch off the main video lights, and then we do a small recording. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, karibuni sana. This is how the actual footage looks like. This is with the dim light, and then this is with the brightest light. Now the only problem is that it's casting a very harsh shadow at the back, as you can see. But other than that, I think it's a very good video to use, because now when it's at the dimmest, you basically just reduce the amount of shadow at the back. But the best way of avoiding the shadows is you easily just move away from the back slightly. As you see, once I move slightly away from my background, then the shadow is actually falling in between where I'm seated and where I'm standing. So this is the quality that you get with it, and then this is the kind of sound that you also get. So just playing around with the settings for the light, and then this is with no light, with the light. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how we set up the Boya VG-350. So until next week, keep it locked.